Greetings to you all, and here the purpose why I am here is that I am also applying for one of the IB Educators Network role. It says that how much I know about the IB standard and practices. In fact, IB standard and practice is nothing but the Bible of IB programs. IB is running 4 programs: PYP, MYP, DP and CP. It started with the DP, then came down to MIP, then down to PYP, and then went to the CP programs. So all these four programs have certain common rules and regulations. In addition, each program have some specific criteria and so on. So anybody who wants to start the school, whether it is application category or authorized or evaluation category, they should obey the already written of rules and regulations. In fact, IB standard and practices, the Bible mainly consists of the 3 sections. Section A is philosophy, how the school philosophy is aligned with the IB philosophy which is already written. Section B is of organization. There are 2 parts. One is the leadership and structure, and second one is the resources and the support. Because IB has already written, these are the requirements for the organization, and the school, if they don't follow, then they are not authorized. Section C, that is the 3rd section, which is the curriculum, where the teachers are involved. The first 2, A and B, mostly the administrators and the owners are involved, but C is the curriculum, the teachers and the non-teaching staff, they all are involved, which has again 4 parts. Part 1 is the collaborative planning, part 2 is the written curriculum, 3 is the teaching and learning, and 4th is the assessment. Question is related to that how the school visit team member is related to the standard and practices. In fact, anybody who is running a school, somebody has to supervise. So the school visit team member or the inspectors or the education officers to check physically, are they really planning it properly, implementing it properly, then the development of the programs, is it proper, then are they evaluating properly, like the curriculum, are they really doing the teaching hours required for HLSL, then are they really doing the assessments properly, like formative assessments, summative assessments. Otherwise, if these school visiting team members don't check, then it can become a lucrative money-making business. People just charge under the name of international curriculum, but doing nothing. So that is why it is being evaluated once in 5 years, and then candidacy process. So this school visiting team member or leader or a workshop leader can also lead the school how to implement the program, how to design the program, and so on. That is how there is a big connection between this team and the IB standard and practices, that in guiding how to implement it, how to evaluate it. So that is why these team members really literally give a report after visiting, either in the form of appreciation, that is recommendations, or if something is to be modified, then they give a recommendation. If something is not satisfied or below satisfactory level or at a poor level, then they say that the matter to be addressed immediately, otherwise that program cannot be continued. The 3rd question is, that is, what should be their profile, the school visiting team member. So obviously they are the pillars of the programs who are visiting and reporting, so they like an inspector. So obviously they are just not passed out from the examination hall and then coming and going to the different school and then inspecting, where the head of the school maybe after 40 years of teaching he may be sitting there, and this person who is not even the age of 40 or at the age of 25 he cannot become in this role. Rather, the person has to be well qualified, highly experienced. Besides that, they should have a good knowledge of, understanding of all the programs, how it is run. You may be teaching only in DP, or your school may be having only DP, but one should know all the 4 programs, PYP, MIP, DP and CP. In addition to this, one should also know all the skills that is skills are required while making the report, while advising. It can be a technological skill, research skill, explorative skills, communication skill, creative skill, thinking skills, social skills, accepting a different cultural background and so on, because you cannot simply dictate the terms. You should also accept as per their culture and so on, accepting, tolerating, and then getting your work done. So the fourth question was that why I should become the IBN role leader or SVTM leader. This question is, even my own students are also asking me that in spite of having more than 40 years of teaching, they are already the workshop leader and the workshop SVTM leader or member. I just jokingly used to say that I am still international mindedness, or much above that I am universal mindedness. My time will come when somebody is not able to manage, then I will come in like an army. So I am saying that I am also equally having more than 40 years of teaching experience, and where in the national curriculum I was a principal, director, question paper author, entrance examination paper setter, and so on. And whereas in the last 33 years I was in the administration, 2 years I was in the IB programs along with CA, CIE, AP, and 11 years I was the coordinator of DP. In addition, I was also examiner for maths, physics, and the moderator for extended essay. I taught all the core programs. I was the coordinator for CAS, TOK, extended essay. So in spite of all this, why I am lagging behind? Why I am still not in the on the board? So this is I'm just left to them. Though besides this, I was also the teacher observer at the IB Cardiff Assessment Center to how the grade boundaries formed and so on, as an author of the book. But they always sometimes call the author and then see and just propagate that system, how this is designed and so on. In addition, being an author, I was also the Space Camp Ambassador, well trained by NASA Training Center. Plus, I also have my own website to deliver the knowledge to the students. Those who could not come physically to the classroom, they can have the knowledge by going to the site, which is all free of cost. Now, I am also asking why I should not be in this IBN role. Thank you for